Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is exponent and powers, and in previous class we discuss all the important concepts related to that chapter. Okay, now in today's class we take and solve some other important questions of the chapter exponent and powers. Okay, so please dear student concentrate on the chapter on the question. Let's see some important question and solving them. Find the value of n. This is a very important question of your syllabus. Find the value of m. Find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Let's see its solution. Here the question is find the value of m. Find the value of m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Let's see its solution. So first of all we write given expressions is upon 5 power minus 3 is equal to 5 power 5. Now what I do? Now dear student, we do their cross multiplication. So we get 5 power 5 power n is equal to 5 power 5 into 5 power minus 3. 5 power minus 3. Okay. Now what I get? Look, so we get as this is 5 and this is minus 3. So 5 power 5 minus 3. Because of if base is same then power is z. So we have 5 power n is equal to 5 to the power 5 minus 3, that is 2. Now look, here the bases are same, then the power is to be added. Then bases are same. So now on comparing both sides, because of that if x to the power a is equal to h to the power b, then we have a is equal to b. We can write in this way. Now a is equal to b. Okay. Now here look, this is 5, this is also 5, this is 5 to the power n, this is 5 to the power 2. So we have on comparing both sides, the value of m is what? 2. The value of m is what? 2. So this is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve that type of question. So first of all we just simplify them and separate the power of variables, means separate their powers. Okay. After that we comparing both sides according to laws of exponents and then we get our result. So dear student, this is the method to solve that type of question. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear friends, we take and solve some other important questions. find the value of m so that find the value of m so that minus 3 to the power m plus 1 into minus 3 to the power 5 into five is equal to minus 3 power 7. Look. Minus 3 to the power m plus 1 into minus 3 power 5 is equal to minus 3 to the power 7. And for that question we find the value of m. Now look, first of all let's see something given. So look here, bases are same, and bases are same if you apply, you know that a power n into a power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We can write na? Yes. So here look, this is minus 3, bases are same, so we can write minus 3 to the power m plus 1 plus 5. We write it this way, and in right hand side we can just write minus 3 to the power 7. Okay, so here look, here m plus 1, the power of minus 3 is equal to m plus 1. This is the minus 3 to the power m plus 1, so this is the power of minus 3 here, m plus 1, that we take as consider m, and this 5 consider as n, so we can write minus 3 to the power, this is m plus n is equal to minus 3 to the power 7, minus 3 to the power 7. Now look, here we can write, we have minus 3 to the power, this is plus 5 plus 1, that is m plus 6, and is equal to, this is minus 3 to the power 7, minus 3 to the power 7. Now look, in the left hand side this is minus 3, right hand side this is minus 3, bases are same, and we just discussed about that if x power a is equal to x to power b, means the bases are same, then power is to be also compared with here, means we can have a is equal to b. A is equal to b. Okay, now this is minus 3, this is minus 3, so here this power is m plus 6 is equal to, can write what, 7. Now on comparing both sides, now on comparing both sides, this is m plus 1, m plus 6 equal to 7, that is m is equal to 7 minus 6, that is 1. So the value of m is equal to 1. The value of m is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the process to solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus, so please just do more and more practices of that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on exponent and cos. See a very important question, and the question is simplify each of the following. Each of the first is minus 2 by 3 now next one is what 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 upon 2 power minus 5 sorry minus 4 2 power minus 4 third is this is minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 power 3 power 4 and last one 1 upon 8 into 3 power minus 3 no and next one is 1 upon 2 to power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 4. Okay, these are some very important questions of your syllabus, so please dear students do more and more practices of that type of questions, and after that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see the solution one by one. So let's see. First of all, we take first part of this question. First of all, we write given expression. Given this is minus 2 by 3 to whole power minus 2 to whole power 2. Yes, look, we find the value of the given expression. So for that, what I do first of all, you know that this is a power m to whole power n. Then it is we can write a to the power a into m, m into n, a to the power m into n. Okay. Now look here. Look, this is the value of n. And this is the value of n. ठीक है. तो now first of all we multiplying them. Two to the 4 minus 4. Now minus 4 take place the power of minus 2 as well as minus 4 take the power of 3 also. So we can write minus 2 to the power minus 4 upon this is 3 to the power minus 4. Now, so we can write as look 3 power plus 4 upon this is minus 2 power plus 4. First of all, we convert minus into the positive. Okay, now we simplify them. 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 power minus 4 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So we can write this is 81 and this is minus minus plus plus minus 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 plus. 2 means answer in plus. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So 81 upon 16 is the required solution of the given question. So in this way you can solve that type of question. Similarly, we can solve second part of this question. Look, second one. So given expression look here, minus 8, so minus 8, no, we can write 2 power 3 to power minus 1, and here 2 power minus 4, so we can write 2 power minus 3 into 5 power 3 upon this is 2 power minus 4. So here look, here we can write 2 power minus 3 and this is plus 4 according to laws of exponent into 5 power 3 means what I get, this is 125. So here we can write 2 power, this is plus 1 into 125. Okay, so we get what? We get 250. This is the requirement. This is the required one. So in this way you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Similarly we take next part of this question. This is the third part. So this is given expression. This is minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 power, we split the bracket, 3 to the power 4 upon this is 3 power 4. Now look, if this is negative number, so this but the power is even, so we can write plus 3. We get as we can write minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 power 4 upon 3 power 4 into 5 power 4. So dear student, we have this is the 1 plus 1, this is 3 power 4 minus 4 into 5 power 4, so that is 1 into 3 power 0 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is 4 times. So we get 1 into 1 into 625, and the answer is 625. So this is the very important question. Similarly we take and solve next part of this question. So first of all, this is given expression. So here we can 2 upon 1 to whole power plus 2. First of all, we power convert into the positive. Here we can write 3 upon 1 to whole power plus 2. This is 4 upon 1 to whole power plus 2. So we have 2 power 2, 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. This is 4. 9, this is 16. So 20 plus 9. This is 29. This is 29. So in this way, this is the solution of the given questions. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can able to solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on exponent and powers. Okay, so in this way, first of all, you clear the concept of laws of exponents, learn all the laws of exponents. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay. Thus, dear students, in next class we take and discuss some other important